Hey everyone, it's Bitcoin Brian here with Bitcoin Fam, and today I'm going to do a video on Maple Finance and its token Maple, and also its new token Syrup. So if you could hit the bell notification, like, subscribe, leave a comment, all of that'll really help us out. Thanks. So before I start the video today, I have to put out the financial disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. It's just my views and opinions and me sharing what I'm doing in the crypto space. Maple Finance. I just went to their site, and it is just right at maple.finance. So here you can see it's lending markets redefined, empowering the digital asset economy with secure, innovative lending solutions. So this is for major lending institutions, big money, big corporations. It's all commercial lending and whatnot. So this isn't lending and borrowing for residential or small people like you and me and just the general public. So it's targeting big industry, and they're doing a very good job. And what they're doing now is they're adding a new token. They've added it. It's called Syrup. So Syrup, it's giving them the ability to let people stake their token, where Maple did not have that ability. So if you are holding Maple, I was, just full disclosure, I had some Maple on Coinbase. So Coinbase sent me an email stating that they're not going to do the migration from Maple to their new token Syrup. So Maple said they're giving people I think up to 3 years actually to do it. But I've already migrated my tokens from being Maple tokens. Now I have Syrup tokens. So, and I did that because I believe in Maple, I believe in the project, and I'm staking it. Right now, I think they're paying like 12% APR. So I'm actually staking my tokens because I feel like Maple's gonna really, I'm holding all my Maple until I see it at least break its all-time high. And we'll go through those when I go through the charts. So I did mine already. So, and they started this November 13th, and that's where they started the staking. And if you click on the Syrup here, if you went to Maple Finance, actually, before I get into that, just some central exchanges will do the conversion for you. Coinbase said they would not. You have to use, so I had to move my Maple tokens, but Coinbase said, if you do have a Coinbase wallet, you can use the Coinbase wallet, which I do. And I have a Coinbase wallet because it's very nice moving coins between Coinbase exchange and my Coinbase wallet. And it's zero fees. So I decided to use my Coinbase wallet. So I sent my Maple tokens to my Coinbase wallet from the Coinbase exchange. Once I had them there, you go ahead and right here, like you would click the Syrup, which I already have the tab pulled up right here. It takes you to this. So what you would do, you can see right now, so far they've distributed 217,000 Syrup tokens. The APY, is 11.64%. And so 22.23% of Syrup tokens are being staked right now. So what you would end up doing is you would just go here, depending what you were doing. This is for staking, and that's what I did. So I just came here and hit, actually, no, I did the convert. You had to convert. So what I did, I came here and I, right here, get Syrup, convert your Maple to stake and earn rewards. So here you hit connect wallet. So once that opens up another screen, it'll go to the wallets that you have on your desktop. Like for me, I have MetaBask, I have Coinbase, Kepler, a dot wallet, whatever. So you connect the wallet that you put the Maple in, and once you connect it, it's seamless. It walks you right through it. It tells you exactly, is this what you want to do? Do you want to convert and stake? And that's what I did. Or you could just convert. So, and after you're done, when your wallet is connected, see, I could connect my wallet and it would show me how many tokens I'd have there, how many I've earned, how many I have staked. But so it's very simple, very, very simple. Just follow the directions. It's like 3 or 4 clicks and your stuff is transferred from Maple to Syrup. So here's another thing though. So there's a lot more Syrup tokens than Maple tokens. So, and I think they did this because of the staking, because originally there were only 10 million Maple tokens. So every Maple token you have, they give you 100 syrup tokens. So, and the value equals out. So here, that'll just, I'll flow right into the charts right now. Actually, we'll start at CoinGecko. So here is the Maple token on CoinGecko. And right now you see rank 364. It's $21.97. It was up over $30. So we definitely had a correction, which is healthy. And I think this was kind of buy the rumor with this new syrup token coming out and sell the news when it launched. So, but it seems like it's holding right around $20. We'll get really into that when I get into the charts. But you can see here the market cap. Then their fully diluted was 219 million. So I really see this coin, to me, could at least 20x, but who knows? We'll go through those in a little bit. Actually, we'll do a little bit right here. So you can see here there was 10 million coins, 7.8 million were in circulation. So now if you go down here a little further, all-time high was $68.20. So we're roughly like a 3x from our all-time high. So, and that's going to happen. So excited for this, excited for that to happen. I really, this is going to be well over $100 token, well over. Well, if it was Maple, but, and so here it is, it's 22 cents, and it's number 67. Not as many coins, nearly as many coins are in circulation yet. You can see the total supply is at 1.1 billion. We have 25% of that, roughly a little more in circulation. So, but what's going to happen here is as more Maple tokens are transferred to syrup tokens, we're going to see their circulating supply, I would think, increase, because those swaps should come from the total supply. But I'm not sure 100% how all that works, but I'm sure they know what they're doing with this token swap. And I'm very excited for the staking rewards. So definitely be nice over the next 6 months, because I think who knows when it's going to peak, but I figure I get at least 6 months of staking. Another great thing with staking, how sometimes you stake some coins and there's a grace period when you try to unstake, you got to wait a week or 3 weeks. I know when I had Atom and I was staking Atom, if I wanted to trade it, and you have to unstake it, and there was grace period of 3 weeks. With Syrup token, you can immediately unstake it and trade or do whatever you want with your Syrup tokens. So I love that aspect of it as well. So here we go. We'll get right into the charts. We'll start with the Maple. And here is Maple. You can see this is the daily chart. This run up was just freaking amazing. It actually went up to 30, spiked to $39. That is crazy. But now you can see, we'll just show you here. This was the whole buildup to the rumor, really, them talking about their syrup token and transferring, and you can see it launched, and it's just the bottom drop. But you look down here, and this 50-day moving average on the daily chart held as support for now. That's big. So hopefully it starts going up, because we'll definitely keep the trend, right? We'll see the trend still continue. Just start it from here. You can see the trend is still up, right? So anyway, that's good. So it's making a new higher low, which is good. So as long as this trend continues, I would expect this maybe to ride sideways for a little ways, kind of angling up, but then breaking out above this local high here. So who knows, the next spot could be the all-time high. I'm going to go with the 5-year here real quick, right? You can see the trend line. It's so the big thing is, if this thing can, if we could get another close above this close here, this is really looking strong because it came back down to this level here, right? Which is I'm spending a lot of time on the Maple chart token because there's a lot of data. There's really not much data on Syrup, but we'll go to that after I'm done here. Oops. All right. So let's just call that kind of our trend line. So you can see we've had two closes now above that. This is on the weekly chart, but it's back down below the trend line because we'll go back to the daily chart. On the daily chart, it is. On the weekly chart, we're still good because, it's a longer time frame. So, but looking at the shorter time frame, you can see we get back above this $25, we're going to go back, definitely back up to the $30 to $40 range. And if it breaks above that, I think the next stop would be the all-time high. Because if you go back to the longer time frame, you can see after this range, there's nothing there. There's not a lot of price data information, anything to build supports or resistance with. So it could very well go up to the all-time high quickly after it breaks back above that line. So I'm pretty excited about it. This may go sideways for the end of the year, or I still think we might have a couple of weeks of sideward action and this thing break out and break its all-time high by the end of the year. So I'm excited to watch what happens with Maple / Syrup token now. So, but if you go ahead and I'll pull up the Syrup token, I just got to use a much smaller time frame just to give me more data points. Like if I put the weekly, it's only going to. So here we go. Here's the daily for instance, right? There's only like 1, 2, 3, 4. There's only 5 days of data, right? So it's hard to see what's happening. But it came out, so that's the news, and now here's the downtrend. Selling the news. The news was released. Sell the news. So anyway, let's go to let me try a 6 month, which is gives me the 2 hour wicks. So you can see on the 2 hour here's the drop, but it's come back up. But now on this, the 2 hour candle wicks hit this. It's just got enough data to start forming a 20-day moving average, and it's staying along that as support. So that's a really nice sign. But mind you, this price is pretty much 1/100th of what the Maple price is. You can see Maple up here. Hopefully you can see that. It says $22.04. And here we have 22 cents, 0.0, call it 3. So pretty much 1 to 100 on the price. And the charts are doing similar things. Let me see. Let's go to, we're just going to go to the same time frame. I can just open that section up for you guys. Just zoom in on that one area. So they do look a little different. Actually, I like the way the Syrup chart looks better. It's gone up. This is kind of just forming a bull flag, and it's using the 20-day as its bottom line support. So that's big. And we got top line support. Top line resistance right now is we'll just call it 24 cents or so. So it breaks above that. We could see this at least get back up to the 31 cents to 40 cent range. So, and who knows from there. So if you're holding Maple when it hits its all-time high, each token is going to be worth $68. If you're holding Syrup when it hits its all-time high, you're going to probably be around 68 cents. So, but it'll all equal out. The big thing with having Syrup now, it gives me the ability to stake and make more Syrup tokens while I'm waiting for the price to go up to get to where my exit point would be. So that's really good. So, excuse me, if we go down to the 3 month, we get a little more data, right? So, yeah, to me, it came down, it made its local bottom, and now it's going back up. So, anyway, I have high expectations for Maple Finance and its new token, Syrup. So if you could, hit the bell notification, like, subscribe, leave a message. All of that will really help us out. Have a great day.